Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dog Keys. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to play worship chord progression on keyboard part 2. I'm going to be using this song, You Are The Reason. I'll play it now, then I'll break it down further. Let me stop it here. I'm doing this very on the key of F. On the key of F. That's your. And it's your Do. So for their understanding, the progression of this very song, you are the reason. Start with your Do, then your Fa. Very simple way to play it. Back to your Do, 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 So, So, So. You see, I don't like just play your Zilla for the second standards. I'll break it down. So it's very simple. It's just your Do. Why I leave my Fa? My Do. Goes up So. Then you play your La. Again, Fa, your Do, So because of you, So, the number pattern, your 1, 1, 4, 4, 1, 1, 5, 5, 6, 6, 4, 4, 1, So your 5, then back to your, understand? So what I use there, this is your Do, the first version of your Do. I did a tutorial version. You can check my other videos. This is your Do. So this is the first one. This is what I'm playing. On your left, you just play your Do to Do. Do So Do. Understand? You don't have a basis. Come here, playing this. You are it. Then another thing you have to know here is your top will introduce your Fa. This is the simplest way. Understand? But to make it a bit spicy, you just play You Are The Reason. Your Do. We introduce. You can just play the notes. You are the reason. You see? Anyway, you want to play it, but it will introduce your Fa. You are the reason. Instead of doing this, you do. Let me take it easy. It's very simple. Your do, fa, la, then you play the fa chord. See it again. You, very easy. Just your left, you just play your fa. Again, you are the reason. After that sola, you now play the fa chord. It's a bit advanced, but you get it if you practice it. Back to your one, your do. See the saw I used here. Your re sorti. Understand? This is your saw. This is your first inversion. This is your second inversion. See what I played here? The first inversion. Okay. Same thing you did here. You can do it here. Understand? Then for your la, your Z will produce your la. Hope I'm not doing too much. Your Z will now introduce your la. Understand? On your right, you can just play. It's either you play this. Or you just play yours. Understand? Then you start again. It's all because of you. So if you want to learn this, just replay this very tutorial because I broke it down so that you understand it. So from the beginning, I will take it slowly. You are the reason why this is your melody. You understand? Just be mindful of this, your F chord, your do, your one. You understand? Play your Zilla or you play this. Anyone can go. Understand? So let me play it now with the beat. Then we call it a tutorial. Hope you guys learned something today. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Follow this account if you're on Twitter or Facebook. Love you guys. See you in my next tutorial. Bye for now.